What's up, YouTube? Silvercat here, and today I wanted to share with you all my three favorite tubes that I've completed and why they're my favorite. But the first one here is, and this is actually, there's 55 in here, but it is a tube of 3 pence, and I got 20 from my buddy Oaksy88, and when he sent me 20, I was like, well, I've got to come up with, enough to make a tube. So then I asked Oaksy88, I don't know much about the 3 pence at the time. Which ones I needed to get, which ones had silver, which ones don't. And from 1816 to 1919, they were 92.5% silver. And then 1920 to 1943, they were 50% silver. And I know what you're thinking, Silvercat, how'd you remember that? It's because I wrote it down. But what I got here, and it's going to be really hard to see because these are such small. There's 3 different styles here. That's the style in the 40s. Get here in the middle. And then you got this one. So you got that and that. And then my favorite in the tube here is this one right here, and these are the older ones in the teens. It's got the 3 with the crown on it. But I was really happy to complete this tube here. Let me scoot them out of the way. Next, and this one right here is more than a tube full, is the Barber dimes. It took a while to complete this tube. It wasn't, none of these were tubes that I just went out and bought. Bought it. There you go. I had to work for every one of these tubes. And when I mean work to make the money to get them and work to finish the tube. And my favorite is my 40% Ike dollars that took a while. And when I mean a while to finish. Because how often do you go to your LCS or something and they got some of these, just sitting around, like that one right there. You might find one like that, but you're not going to find something like that at your LCS in the junk box. It's just not going to happen. It took money and a lot of time to finish this tube, but definitely probably one of my favorite ones. I got 25 of them here. But if you're interested in it, I'm going to do a video on how you can tell if you're looking to do a tube of Ike dollars, how you can tell the silver ones from the clad, nickel, stuff to look for. Because when you start getting up and the dates, like the bicentennial years. It's really confusing, and you can get cheated pretty quick. But I'll do a video on these if anyone's interested. But this is Silver Cat. I want to thank everybody for watching. And until next time, my friends.